This is the first HSV Commodore, the SV88. And what a beauty this one is. This has got an absolute stunning Walkinshaw engine in the car, and wow, how beautiful does this go. It's got a performance polycarby with upgraded heads, upgraded high-rise manifold, and dynoed on a roller chassis dyno, 310 horsepower at the rear wheels. The gearbox in this one at the moment is a manualised Trimatic, but it also comes with the original Trimatic gearbox as well. But look at the beautiful perforated seats with the SV, full velour hood lining. You've got your HSV steering wheel, plus you've got air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, power windows, beautiful leather seats, perfect. But let's turn it on. Check out the website. We're going to have tons of photos of this beautiful SV88 on the website. So all the original gear comes with it. And come on down and come and have a listen to how beautiful this thing sounds. And something so unusual, only 150 ever made. Thanks for watching again.